Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's DIYs are all farmhouse themed and also in lavender color. So let's start with DIY number 1. For this, I just chose one of this beautiful picture frame from Dollar Tree with a beautiful saying. It's got lavender background and it was found in Dollar Tree. So all I'm going to do is take one of this Dollar Tree rope and I'm going to, attach this all 4 corners of this picture frame using a little bit of a hot glue all around it, and I'm actually circulating the edge so it doesn't look a little frayed. I'm actually having a plan for that, and I'm working my way to attach the rope all over using few glue dots in the frame just like so until I reach the other end. Now this is how it looks after all the rope is stuck. Now I see both the frayed end. I wanted to give a bow effect there, so I created a bow out of this lavender color ribbon, and I also attached one wooden bead to finish the look. So I wanted to keep it simple, and this is one of the cute farmhouse style picture frame with lavender and rope and a cute bow. I wanted to keep it simple and elegant, and I like the look of it. I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts on this. This video would be part of First Friday Open Challenge, and this is hosted by Lisa over Our Grey House and Sarah over Jujube DIY, and guest host would be Christine over DIY Craftaholic, and the theme is Craft Your Stash. So we're going to craft our stash away. So there is a huge playlist with a lot of creators with ideas of how to use your crafting stash. So please watch all our videos and give lots of love. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this purple picture frame which I got during Valentine's time, and I'm going to use the background with some tissue paper. And I like all the theme today is purple, so I'm going to go with all purple shades. So I'm also going to use one of this tissue paper which has like a nice floral background and has got a purple flowers also. So I'm just taking one thin layer of this tissue paper and I'm attaching this with a glue stick. I also wanted the pink design on the background as well in a subtle way. You're going to see what I'm going to do in a second. So I'm just sticking this tissue paper on top of it. See what I mean? So all the lines, the background, and also the floral background on top. This is exactly what I wanted, and I pictured in my mind. So I also have this farmhouse frame that I got from, I think, Dollar General for $1 or so, and I'm just taking this chicken out of it and I'm attaching that wooden piece that it came with, and I'm just sticking with a hot glue on back of the frame, and I stuck this chicken on top of it. Now I'm also going to give like a nice distressed look to it, so I'm just taking like antiquing wax and I'm using a stencil brush. I'm just dye brushing all over the frame and as well as on top of this cute chicken to give like a nice distressed farmhouse look there. So yeah, you're going to see in a minute. I'm also going to decorate this picture frame with some nice flowers and bow. You're going to see that in a second. Now I created a simple shoelace bow with this jute twine, and I also attached one jute twine to that bow, and I just stuck it on top of the frame just like so, and I'm taking some of this light greenery and I stuck on either side of the bow to finish the look, and this turned out the way I pictured in my mind, and I'm so very happy with the end result. I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts on this. So let's move on to DIY number 3. For this, I'm going to use one of this sign from Dollar Tree and also this placemat which has beautiful sign like Home Sweet Home with this beautiful mason jar and some lavender flowers on it. I'm just going to take according to the size of the the board, and I'm also going to take this gray borders. First I'm going to take like generous amount of hot glue, and I'm going to stick the borders on top of this wooden board, just like so. Now I'm also going to place this sign on top of it, just like that. That's the picture I have in my mind. I'm also going to fold the excess onto the back, and I'm going to cover the back later. And this is how I'm going to place after the borders are stuck. I'm going to place this mason jar in the center, and using generous amount of hot glue, I'm going to stick on top of this gray borders so they stick, securely. Now this is how it looks after it is completely stuck. Now I'm going to take the same rope from Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to attach all over the frame, around the frame. I'm just going to cover it with the generous amount of hot glue in intervals, and I'm going to show how it looks. Isn't that pretty already? Now I have to decorate this with some of my purple ribbons that I have and a yarn. Now I'm taking this flat purple ribbon, and also I'm going to use this polka dotted ribbon and also some green ribbon to match the colors of this placemat. So I'm just using some of these ribbons like that. I created a one big bow, and I'm also going to use this polka dotted ribbon on top of it and some green ribbon, and I'm actually planning to do a messy bow on top of this bow, so you're going to see in a second. Finally, I made up my mind to look my bow just like this. So I just took like generous amount of hot glue, and I stuck it in one corner of the frame just like that. And I'm so happy with the end result. Look how cute. Hold this home sweet home sign with the lavender flowers and the lavender bow with the green ribbon on top of it with a wooden bead. It's looking so perfect for me. I hope you would see it the same way I see. So anyway, please let me know your thoughts on this. So let's move on to DIY number 4. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of the sign from my stash. It has already having like a nice design in the background, and also has some lavender flowers showing up. And this is the Easter basket that I used for decorating the eggs. So all I did was I just took some of this mop strands, and I actually attached it all around this plastic basket. Now I stuck it to the sign with the hot glue. Now I'm also taking some of this lavender flowers, and I'm just sticking on top of this basket, and I also have some greenery, and I also created one bow with this burlap ribbon and one of this beautiful plaid lavender ribbon. I created a bow out of that, and I'm also going to bring all these bows together and stick with the hot glue just like so. And I think this turned out to be a beautiful hanging basket that you can hang on the wall, or you can place it on the support of something in the back. So I just am displaying it for now on with support of something in the back, but you can always hang it on the wall. It has got a tag already, and this turned out to be such a cute spring decor, and I'm so very happy with this. I hope you would like it as well, and I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Let's move on to DIY number 5. I would rather say a quick hack. So I have this cube which I actually used for a previous project. This is actually a wooden box that comes from Dollar Tree as a part of 2 pieces together as a cubicle, and I just stained it with the antiquing wax. And I have a lot of this farmhouse stickers, and I'm just sticking all around this cube. And I also have this beautiful lavender planter flower pot, and I'm also going to insert that into this cubicle, and also have this beautiful what is this called, sage green farmhouse style ribbon. I'm just attaching it around the top of this flower pot, and I just love the color of this beautiful lavender and the leaf colors and the ribbon and the homemade sign sticker on top of it and those beautiful eucalyptus leaves. This all came out together all together. I'm so happy with this cute decor. I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts on this. And this is another quick hack. I used this galvanized bottle cap sign for another project, so I'm going to repurpose it. I have this beautiful succulent stickers from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to layer a couple of stickers which are matching with the theme today, and I'm also going to give one coat of Mod Podge on top of it for nice security. And I also created a bow from the same sage green ribbon that we saw earlier. I created a bow out of it and I stuck it in one corner, and this has already got this pink berry garland around the border. I attached one piece of a greenery on top to finish the look, and this is such a cute farmhouse style spring decor that I'm very much happy with. I hope you would like it as well. So these are some of the lavender colored farmhouse themed decor DIYs that I brought together from my stash. So I'm very much happy with how all these turned out and came as a nice cohesive collection, and I'm very happy with the end result. I hope you would also like it. I would like to know which one is your favorite and you know everything about it. And lavender is one of my favorite colors. It makes me really happy to see that color. And enough about me, and I wanted to thank each and every one of you for the constant support that you've been giving towards my channel. And if you like some of these ideas and you would like to join the family, I'll be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. And please don't forget to hit on the bell icon for me. When I upload videos like this, you'll get notified. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to link some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.